Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Friday, November 11th. I'm going to run through quickly what we did today. This is in no particular order, but from left to right, these are the opportunities we had. Gold, we had a short 10:15 Central Standard Time power play, 1290. 1229.7, and I said very specifically before we even got in this trade, look, we're down 35 bucks in gold. There's a setup here. There's an opportunity that this thing goes 40 ticks, okay, 40 plus ticks, but that's where it wants to go. I said, so the risk to reward, if it's there, go ahead and take it. Uh, and it's exactly where it did. I mean, it went more than 40. It actually went 60. Target was 40, and you'll see it never actually even ever closed below my target there. Reversed and came up. That was a nice trade. We had a crude trade. We had a death candle trade. We got long. It only made about 8 to 10 ticks. I did say it was going to go up. The issue we had here with holding it so long is because Europe was closing here. Got this wick here right on the European close, and they did finally take it up, but not everybody was able to stay in that after their initial profits. Of course, if they're a one contract, even two contract trader, they could just be out with their profits since we were against a big trend. A little bit there because likely, like I said, we wouldn't have been able to stay in for all that. ES, we got short, and we tried an understanding trade. I told everybody the news was coming up. I said, look, if this doesn't go right away, we're going to have to, we're going to have a potential issue. I did tell everybody to wait till the market got lower because there would be more opportunities, and there were down here. But for those of us who took it, we got in the trade. We added. After we added, it came back down. I said, look, the news just came out. We need follow through. If this fails, it's probably going to go the other way depending on the news. So we just had to kind of get out of the trade there at round break even. When it came down again and it actually did get lower, we got short, made up to 2 points on that trade. And that was a nice opportunity there. We were in from 475, went down. Candle was that on? Hold on a second. That was at 927. Yeah, that was 475. Went down about 2.5 points, so but a couple points on that trade. Market came back. Basically my line, our target was down here, and I told everybody about the target over here, but when it wasn't hit, we got the 2 points. It kind of bounced around there, came back down. I said, look, if you still want to try to get to this target here, we can hit it again. And that's exactly what we did. We hit it at 52.75, and that one went down for a couple points. I told everybody when that one went down, so look, if you want to take your profit, go to entry, that's fine. If you want more, you're going to have to still give it a little bit of room. And that's exactly what happened. I mean, it bounced around here at the entry, never came up -1. We definitely tighten our stop. We don't go with the full stop. And then it did push down. It went all the way down to 48.50. So that would have been up to almost 4 points. And that was a nice little trade there. And then over here, I said, look, we're getting ready to close. The thing may go down, it might not go down. If you take the trade, and I said if everybody's at their goal, just be done. If you take the trade, we very well may have to add. And if we add, we're not sticking around for a break even. We're going to get out. We're going to lose a tick or two. Okay, so everybody knew the risks to begin with. Not everybody took it. Half the room was gone by the time this was right before we closed. But we did take that short. We added up here. As soon as this came down, I was screaming the whole time, make sure you get out, make sure you get out, because if it doesn't get below this box, right, which is exactly where it went to test, that's why I didn't want to wait for a break even on that one. And especially from the time of day. So we got out. We lost a tick or two on that one for those who took it. overall great day. Killer trade in gold. A little bit here, a little bit. We got a little bit. It was choppy. Chopped up, chopped down, stayed there for a while. So we got a bunch of winning trades, but not a lot of them followed through, except for the gold, which I called the 40 tick target, and it actually went 60. So we're going to come back again on Monday. Until then, everybody have a great day, have a great weekend, and we will see you back next week. Bye.